Well, it's that time of day again where the cows are going to be heading to bed. Dormitory is now just down here. In the distance you might see him just taking the gate that we have at the stream down so that they can come across. Patch is there. He's just had a drink from the swimming pool. Didn't realise our swimming pool was going to double up as a large dog bowl. But, so here we go. I wonder whether Marley will be bothering me today like she did this morning. So here we go. These guys know where they're going. Patch is keeping his distance. And so here's Marley, followed by Patch, and Dormitory is our guy who's making sure they get to bed. There she goes. Good, she's ignored me today. Good girl. And here's Boo Boo. Oop. Yeah. There's Dormitory just following them. Make sure they get to the right place and don't stop and eat too many of our flowers on the way. So there we go. It's about time for an evening swim. Sounds like a good idea to me.